Hi, in this video, I will show you how to configure DTP protocol. In past video, we discussed the VLAN configuration and VTP modes configuration. Here, you will select the switch 1, then open the control line command, config. You enter the global configuration mode, config T, select the trunk port interface F0/4 switch port mode dynamic auto disable. By using DTP, frame tagging protocol can be auto negotiated. DTP has mainly two modes to dynamically decide whether a port become a trunk. It is auto and desirable modes. Here you can see a trunk will form in the following configuration: manual trunk and manual trunk form the trunk ports, manual trunk and dynamic desirable form the trunks, manual trunk dynamic auto will form the trunk ports, dynamic desirable and dynamic desirable will form trunk ports, dynamic desirable dynamic auto will form trunk. Here dynamic auto and dynamic auto not form the trunk. Trunk pods send out DTP frames every 30 seconds to indicate their mode, which is dynamic auto or dynamic desirable. Here you can select the desirable. In switch 2 is configured in manual trunk, so it will form a trunk ports. The DTP dynamic port is vulnerable to spoofing attacks, so any hacker he can access the data. So by security we will disable the DTP configuration in trunk ports. Here you can see you can configure the disable DTP mode. First you will select config T interface F0/4 switch port switch port mode trunk switch port. Here you can see a command no negotiate. So you can secure your switch by attacking hackers. Then we can control the traffics in trunk ports Here you can see in switch 1 there is no VLAN 13 configuration. So in this trunk port you can avoid the VLAN 13 tags. So it can be configured by using command switch port trunk allowed VLAN. Here only VLANs are configured 20. Sorry, you can remove the 13 VLAN. It is easy. Here you can see add, all, exchange, non, remove. You can remove 30. So in this trend the VLAN 30 is removed. Similarly, you can change your native VLAN in trunking ports. Switch port mode by using this command switch port mode trunk native VLAN. By default native VLAN is 1. It can be changed to any number, for example 15. If you change the native VLAN in switch 1, you will change the native VLAN in switch 2 and switch 3 the same VLAN, same native VLAN. Otherwise the trunk not form. So then we will discuss some troubleshooting commands. First one, you can identify which port is trunk, which port is access. First you will use show interface F0/2 switch port mode switch port. Here you can see F0/2 is as access mode, and you can find trunk port. Show and show interface trunk. Here you can see port F0/4 is a trunk. Its native VLAN is 15 and allowed VLAN only 10 and 20. We remove the 13 VLAN. Similarly, you can see the BTP status by using show BTP status. You can see the VTP status, VTP version, configuration, revision number, and VTP domain name, etc. And you can see the VTP statistical information and error counter by using show VTP counters. Here you can see VTP advertisements received 9 and some other data. So I'm concluding VLAN topic. Bye.